Hey guys, welcome back. I am coming on to do a layout for Color Rush Studios. I am using the December 2025 kit. And you guys, this is my third layout with this kit, and I find it to be more fun as I'm going through the product. You know what it's like when you get a new kit, you have to kind of get to know it and things start flowing and flowing and flowing. That's what's happening. It is wonderful. So I've got a bunch of Bella Boulevard documented. I've got this piece here that I previously gutted. That is going to be my border. Then I'm going to, let me see, what is this one called? That is called Hello. Then I'm going to use this piece here that is white with a black Swiss dot, and it's called Organized. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Now I have a photo here that I just have a piece of scrap cardstock for the mat. This is my daughter in Savannah, and we're at Chippewa Square, and she is sitting on the bench where Forrest Gump's bench, in theory, is supposed to be. It's not there. Apparently the bench that was there, people kept taking pieces of it and they removed it. So no bench there. So we have that. Now, as you can see, I've been using all of the things, and that is great. Ooh, I'm going to go after these little guys as part of my plan. Okay, so I'm going to use this acrylic piece right here. It reads Best Day Ever, and this was part of the acrylics kit. And the acrylics kit is absolutely gorgeous and amazing in every way. I highly, highly recommend it. Actually, I used acrylic titles for my last two layouts too, because I just think it is so fun. And if you don't use your acrylics, I'm telling you guys, it just starts like propagating. It's like gremlins. If you get them wet, same thing. They just start to multiply. So when I do get a kit, I try to get right in there if I can. I'm gonna just shave off 3/4 of an inch on two different sides. And that will give me probably a nice size. I don't even know how much further I'm going with this. I got to figure out, come on, what I want to do. I know my title, which is great, but I have to figure out, like, do I want to do lots of pattern paper? Right now, I kind of like the idea of seeing how much I can use of the sticker sheet. I do have a tendency to kind of like to use this piece or that piece and see how much I can use up. So we'll see. We will see. This is as far as I got, is liking these papers because they're so cute. I have this. She's facing ahead. Her knees are facing that way. There we go. So I'm kind of vibing the idea. I'm trying to find a way to do this without getting too much of a glare. So we have Best Day Ever. That's fun. I've got all of these, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, I think we can do 5 rows and have them just kind of jagged like that. And then I'll come back and figure out the pink will go on the very top. I know that. Okay. And then I will figure out from there exactly what my plan is. Okay. So it is going to go about to here. So I'm going to have a little bit left over for other layouts. Okay, I'm going to get these pieces in a nice little row, and I'll meet you right back. Okay, so super fun. I've got all of those border pieces on there. I do have just a couple inches of each one for another layout. I didn't want it to go all the way across. I've been this past week into doing all of these really linear layouts, and I'm not really sure what that's about, but we're just going with it. Sometimes it just makes sense. And then next week it'll be totally different, which is fine. I'm grabbing just a little bit of Kids Fun Foam to give my layout just a little bit of dimension. Now, these cute little rubbery guys are in the kit, so they can be different colors, but there will be 2 rainbows in the kit. I have this Best Day Ever. Ooh, you know what? I want this to fully rest nicely. So I'm going to go like this. I wanted the word to be able to fully rest. So let me go ahead and just get that tacked down now. Get my rainbows in a pretty decent placement, and then just let me see what I can add from there. Okay, let's go ahead and have it rest the pink on the pink. There we go. Just like that. Blue is taking a very, very nice nap underneath my desk, if you hear him snoring away. Okay, so we have that. Totally have the vibe for this layout. I like the idea that these rainbows are on the wonk because everything is just so like just linear right now. So we have to do a little something with that. Now I've got that. I'm wondering if my little hearts, these are the cutest little hearts. They are shakers. I'm thinking the rainbows are probably plenty for that. Ooh, you know what I do have that's fun though? I have a couple of cute little acrylic-y flowers. Let me see. No, I don't want to do that because these match this. Oh, darn it. Okay, I'm going to save my acrylic flowers. I do have that piece, which is super cute. Super cute. Okay. It's a matter of like, I want to use this. I want to use that. Look at how cute. And I also have, you guys, these kits have so much in it. I've got these strips of these sparkly bits. Maybe I'll add a couple. I don't think I need them all. So if my rainbows are like that, let's see. So this is heavy here. Let me get a little something going this way. Then my rainbow, these aren't even attached down yet, but we're just designing around it. Then let's see if that's there. I can go boop. And then let's get a red one maybe. And then we'll do an orangey one down here. And that is cute. Cute, cute, cute. Okay, so that's totally working. I like that. You know what I could do? I have one little black dot left on here. Let me go ahead and just put it in the middle of this floral piece. It would get lost if I put it right on top of the polka dots. So I'm gonna just put it right on top. And it should, you guys, it keeps jumping. It's like it has feet. Did I take off the adhesive? No, I don't know. Okay, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna glue it down. Okay, so now what do I have to zhuzh the rest of this with? I could look at my papers and see what I have to fussy cut. Okay. You guys, way too much time on one polka dot. And then that glue will dry clear. There we go. Phew. But I did use up all of these Bella Pops, and that is great. On one of my layouts, I used a Bella Pop house, and it is adorable. It's so cute. Now, just want to make sure, okay, these are papers. To the left of me, I have all of the papers I've cut into and all of that. So I've got, thank you. I've got the cutest little house here. Love that grows. Look at the little puppy. So cute. Okay. And I know I'm going to use more of that. I'm just making sure I don't want to grab anything from here. You know what? I might do something where I use, 3 tops of these tags. I don't even need the whole tag. I just like the idea of using the tops. So let's see. Let's take a look. I like the idea of this striped one for sure. Let me do the stripey. That's going to be a part of things. And I might, you know what? Probably just going to have it stick out. Yes, that's fine. And then I can do the same thing with the pink. It's quite bold. That can stick out. Like we have a couple of little tags sticking out. Okay, that's going to bring enough color up there that will make me happy. Now I'm going to go ahead and get some adhesive on my cute little rainbows. make sure that they can have their little spots on there without going too far. And if I have to add more adhesive, I will. All right, I'm going to put those little bits on there. That's going to be fine. I'm wondering if I can sneak in a little bit of my frazzles and ribbons, some of the black, into those two tags. So I'm going to go ahead and leave that right there so I can remember. So let me work on that. I'll meet you right back here. I bet this layout's going to get finished right up. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at this sticker sheet. I've got this really cute little tab here, and I tend to not want to use, unless I'm making a little book or something, I don't want to use the whole thing and when I can cut it into two. I don't know if I'm saying that right. I like to get a little bang for my buck with these things is my whole point. Cute, cute, cute. So just a little bit of layering there with my tags. That's fun. Then what do we have? I love all the florals, which is why there's so many of them missing. That's so cute, the little butterfly. I wonder, is there a spot for this camera? You know what? I'm going to take this little bit off. I'm going to put it back on my sheet. I can use that another day. I like the idea of this camera sitting here. So let me see. If I tuck this in right here. Oh, that's cute. Okay. We can have that over the ribbony bit a little bit, the frazzles. So that's fine. And then I almost feel like this is done. You guys, I have all of these different colors and textures, and it's fairly simplistic, but I do like it. Let's see. I can put one cute little blue heart here. I had another one that can go down there. It's tiny little details. Tiny little detail. Oh, look at how cute this is. This word hello. And it can be like, hello, best day ever. Best day ever. That's so cute. Hello, best day ever, of course. So that's super cute. Is there anything else I want to put on here? Now, I already have rainbows and flowers. Otherwise, I would put golds because I think it's funny. So cute. And then, oh, that would have been a good spot for the little black dot. I wonder, let me see. I don't think I can use it, but I'm going to try. I'm going to save that little pink dot in case it comes in handy later. What I was thinking is, should I do this and have one more little black piece of frazzles down on the bottom? Let me see. I have been using it. Let me get, I'm cutting to the side. Let me get that and see if I can thread this kind of chunky bit through this sticker. What am I even thinking of doing? Come on. Thank goodness these are cardstock stickers. Okay, if I have that, and the bow can go either way, I'm going to go ahead and repeat where I have that little staple in there, because then I would have something silvery in 3 places, if I can get in there. Come on. You're like, why would you have a staple in something that you have through a cute circly bit? And my answer is, I don't know. It just seemed like the thing to do. Okay, if I have it like this, then I will go ahead and cut one of these kind of going in one direction, one going in another, just grabbing a little bit of interest. You know what? I think this one needs to be trimmed down just a little bit more. There we go. Okay, so now we have this, and I'm feeling like I'm done now. I don't know why, but maybe it's because I had 3 of the ribbons and that completes it for me. I don't know. However, this layout is done. It was super fun to do. I was able to document this memory, had all kinds of things, you guys. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those banner stickers on here. I've got our little rubbery charm guys. We have Bella Pops. We have got fabric, acrylics. it has all kinds of good. So guys, I'm going to have links down below for the Facebook group as well as my affiliate link for the store. Go ahead, subscribe to kits. And like I said, I get the main kit, the bold kit, and the acrylic kit, and I absolutely love them. Okay guys, a few store shots to follow, and I'll see you ever so soon with another video. Bye for now, friends.